All right, language explorers. Let's look at this week's Thursday adverb. So, alone, alone, alone. Just by oneself, alone, alone, alone. No one or thing else. No one and nothing else. Just alone. Just one choice. Yes. I spend a lot of time alone. He was alone last year. They are all alone in there. Alone. Very good. Yeah. So, he was alone in the room. He wanted to be alone. She is not alone and has help. Yeah. She never feels alone because she is with her family. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? So, I am alone at home. Just me. Just me. She is always alone. He does not want to be alone as he grows older. They are not alone. They have each other. They have each other. They are together. It works by itself. It can work alone. The machine does not need help and can work alone by itself. That's the way it is. The machine works alone. She was alone all day. She does not like to be alone. No. I live and work alone. Yes. I am often alone, where I just work and just work, study, read, exercise, and do other things by myself. Yeah. How cool is that? He will be alone in the office. After 9 p.m, he will be alone in the office, and likewise in the library. Just himself, all alone. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, alone. Yeah. He is alone in the park. This idea alone can help me. Yes. This invention alone will save us. Only this invention will work, nothing else. Only this invention will work, nothing else. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you write alone in a sentence? Can you write the sentence in the comments below, and like the video and subscribe to the channel? More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too when you search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.